You are viewing Video Vocab. We believe in the value of edutainment. We're here to entertain you in such a way that we help you to improve your active vocabulary. To achieve this, we will use clips from movies, TV shows, and podcasts.
Cornucopia.
Can I help you, Santiago?
Oh, Captain. Didn't expect to see you there.
In my office?
So I just wanted to make sure that you knew about the Thanksgiving dinner I'm hosting for the squad after work.
Yes, I received your save-the-date decorative gourd, your ornamental cornucopia, and this beautiful handcrafted card of a turkey wearing a top hat.
It's a pilgrim's hat.
Where's the buckle, Santiago?
The buckle.
What goodies did you score? Oh, I got cupcakes, unpeeled bananas, that's key, Twizzlers for days, and this lovely cornucopia that will brighten my studio apartment. I got a lifetime of streamers and this photo backdrop. It's clouds. I thought the theme was medieval masquerade.
Nah, enchanted forest. So many magical greens and browns.
So these are twinkly fairy lights.
See you at the spring fling.
Not if I see you first.
Peter, I think you may have had one too many. Maybe it's time to ease off, huh?
What are you talking about, Lois? Dad's getting drunk on Thanksgiving is a holiday tradition.
I work hard to put a cornucopia on this table, and you're out showing your lower ankle to every Tom, and other Tom in our village.
Don't talk to mother-in-like fashion!
That's it. The belt is coming off.
It's your turn to get up.
Oh, I'll never understand how something that came from inside of you became my responsibility.
Out! Night! Daddy! Breakfast!
Geez, this kid's kind of smart.
Tuesday! Autumn!
She's a genius! Like the guy who invented shoes with lights in them.
Cornucopia?
Cornucopia. An abundant supply of something, a plentiful source. A cornucopia is often pictured as a horn-shaped basket overflowing with goods, symbolizing richness and plenty. When you see the pause button on these definition screens, you can pause if you would like to keep reading. Gourd.
Each tablescape is supposed to have 3 gourds, but some have 6, and some are gourdless, and some, oh my God, is that a pine cone? Yes!
Sorry. The Lions just scored a touchdown.
Oh, did they?
Oh, my bad. Were you recording it?
Damona, you need to handle this. 3 gourds per table, people. Could we make that happen?
Are you gonna marry Lucy?
Are you out of your gourd? No, she just works with me.
Plus, you love her. You love her. You love her. You really love her.
Okay,
And
stop.
you're gonna get
This is a
married.
song of lies. I don't even like her. Now go have fun.
Almost forgot. Hugs. Good luck saving the world. Bye. Bye, crew.
Kids, right? They're funny.
Those girls totally adore you. I bet you're a fun dad.
Huh. I am pretty fun.
What's in the trunk?
Supplies?
Supplies. I was wondering about that. Like food, water, maybe a compass.
What about a book, a gourd, and a bunch of twigs?
I don't think I'll be that hungry.
They're for me. Come on this way. You see, the location of the sacred place is a guarded secret. I can't take you there myself.
Gourd. A hard-skinned fruit, often hollowed out and used as a container or decoration. Gourds come in many shapes and sizes and are commonly seen in fall displays or used as utensils in some cultures. Gratitude.
I require a cloaked vessel.
A cloaked vessel? This is no small favor, Captain. How would it benefit the Klingon Empire? I'm sure Garon will ask.
The only benefit to the Klingon Empire would be our gratitude.
That is what you want me to tell him?
Yes. And Please add that if he is unable to provide us with a ship, then I am sure there are others in the Klingon Empire who would be willing to help me. And then they would have our gratitude.
Drop your guns, men! The governor's inside, with Zorro's gun pointed at his head!
Thank you, Sergeant. If I live through this, you can be sure of my eternal gratitude.
Have no fear, Your Excellency. Everything is proceeding according to my strategy.
Las armas, Pascualo!
Have faith, brother. You're not alone.
And I'm thankful to be here with your wonderful family. This is something I didn't experience growing up. See, my father was away a great deal on business, and it was just me and my mother, and she was a cold and distant woman who blamed the world for her club foot.
Sweetie.
And
Wrap it up.
Sorry. My gratitude knows no bounds.
Now to hear the joyous sound of people waking up on Christmas to discover they have no presents.
Hey, where's my present?
Some jerk stole Christmas!
Hell, I've been robbed! Man, so this is how it feels. I'd better see my shrink and rob his ass.
They don't sound happy, but here comes a mob shaking their fists in gratitude.
Give back our presents, stupid man!
Shouldn't you all be singing carols or something?
You reach out your hand in kindness. It's not a one-to-one transactional exchange. The fact that you, Joe, helped somebody else when you didn't need to, and there's no obligation, circumstantially otherwise, you voluntarily helped somebody. You've created a reciprocal debt of gratitude that cannot fall into any metric, I believe. That person's going to go, Joe helped me. That guy's good. I owe it to myself and to him to pass it forward.
Gratitude. A feeling of thankfulness and appreciation. Gratitude is the warm recognition of kindness, help, or good fortune. Basting.
Hey, listen, we're in a little bit of a situation here. The car is buried, and I'm poop scooping it out, but it's gonna take a little while, so I'm gonna need you to baste the turkey.
Wait, you want me to do what?
Don't worry, you can do it. It's gonna be fine. Just keep it moist until I get home.
But Bob, you always cook the turkey!
Just relax, all right? Get out the baster, tell him not to worry. He'll probably be confused, because he's so used to my voice. Then, get some juice from the pan and, squirt it on the turkey.
That's what basting is?
Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a turkey key to baste.
I'm coming with you.
No, I baste alone.
Oh, I'm sure you're a master baster, Ted.
Wordplay, loving it.
But relax, I've got a ton of sides to heat up since my plans fell through.
Who canceled? Your coven? Coven! Group of witches. Boom!
Yeah, they were worn out from putting that spell on your hair.
Oh, serve returned. Are you happy? You're ruining Thanksgiving.
Well, you're not exactly who I thought I'd be spending Thanksgiving with either.
Basting. Moistening food while it cooks by spooning or brushing liquid over it. Basting helps keep food juicy and adds flavor during roasting or grilling.
Here at Video Vocab, we hope your Thanksgiving feast is filled with a cornucopia of delicious foods. One thing you could eat is a gourd, but they are often used as decoration at this time. We feel gratitude for this opportunity to help with your vocabulary. If you are the one basting a turkey, remember it is worth the effort. If you like this episode of Video Vocab, please like and subscribe. We challenge you to add a comment on what you think are the sources for any of these video clips. Can you guess which movie, TV show, or podcast they come from? Each clip has the word and a clip number to help you identify it in your comments. Some are obscure, so have fun. Also, what is your favorite clip? After a week we will list the sources so you can see how right you were. Thought of the Day by Neil A. Maxwell. We should certainly count our blessings, but we should also make our blessings count.